Wadau, natumai mko poa, mshinda salama popote mlipo na popote ambapo mnaitizama FM Show KE mkiwa. Na kwa sasa moja kati ya stori ambazo zimekuwa zikigonga vyombo vya habari ni stori kuhusiana na kijana mmoja kuweza kukamatwa ambaye anahusishwa na mauaji ya maneja ama msimamizi wa supermarket ama duka kuu la Chandarana ambalo lililopo eneo la Naivasha. Kulingana na taarifa hizi ambazo tumepata kuzipokea kutokea katika maafisa wa DCI, Joseph Mungai Wanjira, a 25-year-old robbery with violence suspect believed to have murdered the manager of Chandarana supermarket located within Buffalo Mall in Naivasha on May 22nd, 2024, has been arrested. A DCI report seen by FM Show KE says the suspect was flashed from his hideout within Naivasha town around 1 p.m. earlier today. Hassan Abdulatif Salim was found murdered in his home after he failed to report to work, prompting a section of the store's supervisor to try to locate his whereabouts. Shock struck when they were met with blood spots on the door, although the house was locked. Police in Naivasha were informed. They rushed to the scene and upon forcing entry, they found the body of the 38-year-old manager sprawled on the floor with akiwa amelala kwenye dimbwi la damu. Now, signs of struggle depicting an attack were evident, with various household items notably missing, read the part of police report. Now, crucial evidence, including the retrieval of CCTV footage, was obtained and the scene documented by CSI detectives on Wednesday. Intelligence analysis gave away the prime suspect, in whose possession were found most of the items stolen from the deceased house, including a TV set, a 6 kg Progress, a Samsung tablet, a hood branded NASA, and a blood-stained bag. After crucial and brief interrogation, the suspect led detectives to the scene of the crime at the deceased house, retrieving the two murder weapons he had used, a kitchen knife and a piece of wood. Further documentation of the scene has since been conducted and the suspect has been booked in Naivasha police cells pending arraignment for robbery with violence. Ni kijana mchanga sana, miaka 25, aliweza kumuua manager aliyekuwa ndiye manager wa duka ambalo kijana huyu alikuwa akifanya kazi. Ila kwa sasa tunasema mkono mrefu wa sheria umepata kumkamata huyu jamaa, and as of right now anatarajiwa kusimama kizimbani na kujibu mashtaka dhidi ya mauaji ya Abdulatif. Tunaamini haki itatendeka kwa hili. Wakenya wametoa maoni yao tofauti kulingana na kile ambacho kiliweza kutendeka, ila kwa sasa tunafungia story yetu hapo. Usisahau kusubscribe ndani ya FM Show KE. Tuungane katika video zetu zijazo wadau.